Hello, this is Brett from Elliott Wave. Today we're going to take a look at Bitcoin. So it's I've been transitioning to this new platform, so you won't see many waves, but we're going to work our way through it. I did a Bitcoin long-term count at some point on the channel, so if you want to go watch that, perhaps something interesting, you'll find it in the Bitcoin playlist. But today, so I'm just gonna show you two main counts, which I think are, I don't know, they're basically the ones I like the best, but it doesn't mean they're going to be the right ones, right? If I knew which one were the right ones, as usual, I wouldn't be here. So one is the one you're looking at right now. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, nice subdivision, extended third, down in 4, up in 5, okay? Now, this scenario suggests that either we are near, or if not, we have a top in wave 5 already, okay? Or else we could be making wave 1, which is one thing we're going to investigate today, wave 1 of 5. That would be primary, okay? For further upside. So that's one main count. The other one is, I don't know. Oh, wait. In a way, it's a bit more bullish. I mean, it suggests a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up in 3, down in 4, okay? 1, and then 1, 2 of 5. Possible. Which one is my preferred one? So I kind of prefer this one, simply because here we have the channel, which is very well, okay. You can draw the channel very nicely, and we are still within the channel, okay? And then what is even more interesting is what happened here, okay, stayed within this channel. So it's very common that we have 1, 2, then we explode higher, find some sort of a support, okay, here near the previous wave 1 top, and then we extend higher within wave 3 of this degree, okay? Probably didn't explain it well, but hope you guys understand me. Okay, so let me get rid of the channel, and we're gonna dive straight into the daily and look at this bit right here. Now, I'm gonna stick to this count, but just be aware that it's also possible we are making I mean, it would be either another wave 1, sorry, wrong waves, either another wave 1 and 2, okay, of 3, which would be extremely bullish, or else we could just be extending, I don't know, somehow. We're gonna investigate that within, within primary wave 3, okay? So let's waste no more time, and let's perfect. Let's get into the daily. Obviously, all the sub counts were, are in my TradingView account. I just, for this transition, I just want to be quick, that's what she said. Okay, so here we can already do this. Can decompose wave 1, should easily find this 5 subways. It doesn't. Is it my fault? Probably is. Four and 5. Okay, sharp wave 2. Now, let's so we had it. Wait. Sorry. I'm pretty sure this goes here. Okay. Sorry for the confusion. Yeah, there's also a scenario we can put wave 4 here, but see the, wait a minute though, am I doing, no, I think there's a lot of confusion here. Okay, so I wanted to use this scenario, which I don't know why we ended up doing the other one, and this scenario is this one right here. Okay, sorry people for the confusion. I was indeed a bit confused myself. So that's really not good. So if you're still watching, thank you, but I'm human too. So I think we had a count somehow something like this. Okay, here we had our wave 4, nicely done for wave 1. Okay, so at this point, let's see if we can find, not quite, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so usually they're just mislabeled because of this thing right here. Okay, so here we also mentioned many times, by the way, let's do this. Let's see if you can find it now. Almost. There you go. Can we decompose wave 2? Nope, but I can obviously ABC. And here, I think I had a truncated fifth, which got criticized once, but who cares, right? Perfect. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, okay, we resume where we left off. So, long story short, I'm looking for something like this. Okay. Now, ideally, we pull back all the way. We don't have a, yeah, all the way down here. Okay, to the area of the previous 4. That would be a very common area where to find support for a higher degree of 2. Okay, now already, probably already thought so. This, you can see this as a very bullish scenario, 1, 2. Okay, of cycle 5. So this could easily take us to 1 million. Okay, it's possible. Is it possible? Yes. Is it gonna happen? I don't know. Could it happen? Absolutely. Could we crash? Absolutely. But so all we can do, at least all I can do, is take it, as I like to say, one wave at a time. Okay, so here I've seen many different counts. By the way, can we decompose this? Nope. Okay, and it's all in here. Perfect. So 3, 4, 5. So the question number 1 is this wave 5 a wave? Sorry, is this wave a 5-wave move or a 3-wave move? Okay, so let's zoom in. So maybe we get a bit more information, which comes at a cost of additional noise. So maybe a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B, C. Could be a 3-wave move. A, B, C. So B minor. Okay. Let me show you the sub degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, minute. Okay, A, B, C, D, E. You guys know I'm a fan of triangles. Not log ones though, only heavyweight triangles. Oh God, I need to stop with these jokes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Could be close. 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 either ended or in the making. 5. Now let's look. If that's the case, let's look for the ratios. C against, nope, that was time ratio. My apologies, people. So 0.618 stands at 71,000. Do we have something at 71,000 on the left? Yes. So we could see that. Now you could ask Barrett, do you think? Sorry, that's why I need a. Why don't we have a? We need a marker. What does this do? Stay in drawing mode. Okay, but what do I draw with? It's a mystery. Okay, so could we have wave A here, B here, C here, bottom in place soon? I don't know, people. I don't know. I mean, the answer to could is yes. Do we? I have no idea. But as I said, what I would like to see is this. Are we going to see it? I don't know. Will we see it? I don't know. Could we? Absolutely. But this would be very interesting. And yes, we could get easily all the way back down to 50,000, which would be pretty much a bit over 50% of the highs, which sounds it's like it's basically the equivalent of 10% for the S&P in terms of Bitcoin, I guess, when it comes to volatility. I need to remember how to breathe. Now, can we count this somehow differently? I think so, but do I want to count it somehow differently? Not really. So it's really a matter of, I mean, you can count as 3, 3, 5 in A, 5, 3, 5, which is basically a zigzag in A. So remember, we're saying zigzag. So we're saying the correction. Oh, here's, I talked about it in one video. There's a big difference between a zigzag in wave 2 and a zigzag in wave A. Okay, zigzag in wave 2 means that we have an ABC, which is a 5, 3, 5, 5 in A, 3 in B, 5 in C. A zigzag in wave A means that wave A is a 3-wave move, and that 3-wave move ABC is a 5, 3, okay, or a triangle 5. Okay, remember, it's a difference between zigzag or a flat in wave 2 and in wave A or B, whatever. Okay, obviously wave C is always a 5-wave move. Well, that being said, I'm gonna leave it with it. Now that I have my counts, I will keep on populating them, and it'll be quicker next time, and we'll be able to investigate further. But for now, that's it. Thank you for watching, and have a great Wednesday. Remember, no videos tomorrow, but I'll see you. And also, I think Friday, I'm gonna not be making a video, so I might see you Saturday. Thank you for watching, and have a great Wednesday, everyone.